students. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am your maths teacher. Today I am going to teach you the numbers. Look at this. It's number 1. 1. 1. One elephant. One elephant. Now sensitize. Rub your fingers. Put your hands on the sandpaper and feel. 1 is down and down. 1 is down and down. Okay? Now come on the next page. It's number 2. 2. 2. 1, 2. 2 camels. 2 camels. Let's sensitize. Rub your fingers. Put your hand on the sandpaper and feel. Go round, turn down and sit down. Go round, turn down and sit down. It's called 2. 2. Now come on the next page. 3. 3. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 cows. 3 cows. Let's sensitize. Rub your fingers. Put your hand on the sandpaper and feel. Go round and round. Go round and round. It's called 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Allah Hafiz.